Bro, okay, I'm sorry. Take two. This is take two of the trade recap. Apparently, the last audio didn't even work. Oh my god, I have to go over all of this again. Okay, alright, so today I only made $500 on Top Step. Let me show you guys already saw this. You guys, thank you for letting me know that my audio wasn't working. I'm trying to make this recap as quick as possible. I got shit to do, alright? $500 on the day on Top Step. My evals got blown. How did my evals get blown? I'll show you now. I took a short with four minis to make $1.5 thousand to pass the accounts, and they did end up just getting blown in the process. I got wicked out by this candle right here. I'll show you guys how right now. So on the higher time frame, overall bias honestly was bullish today. Why? We're in a 4-hour gap. We're respecting it. 4-hour order block, respecting it. We're pushing higher, right? On the hourly time frame, we sweep the internal range high and we have data lows below us. So I am open to shorts. It's not like I'm only married to a bullish bias, right? Coming to a market open, I have shorts in the back of my mind, but I do want to see price push a lot lower before I have shorts. I'm also bullish this high that got swept. We sweep the range high and then we went for the range low. However, what I wanted to do today, we had a 15-minute gap right here. This was a very avoidable loss in my opinion. 15-minute gap, we tap it. We're also in EQ of this range. We get a 1-minute change in state and delivery right here, targeting this internal high. Right, this is a very avoidable loss. We tap into OTE of a bearish range. All right, my tools have not been working. OTE of a bearish range. We also tapped into a 5-minute order block, right? So this was a very, very, very avoidable loss for me. I could have easily just gotten break even on this. I don't know why I didn't. I took this loss on Top Step, not on my Lucid. I didn't take this trade on Lucid because I didn't have my trade copia logged in at this point in time. I got to the charts really fucking late today. Overslept. But you can see this is the trade I took. Got stopped out. Should have been a break even. That is a risk management mistake on my end, right? From there, what do I see? I see, all right, we're respecting this 5-minute order block. On ES, we're also respecting, well, we have a 5-minute gap on ES that we're respecting. We have data lows below us on both indices, right? We had 830 unemployment claims. So now we're starting to disrespect this 15-minute gap. We're pushing lower. What do I see here? We sweep this move to the upside, and we get a candle closure below the move to the downside. We get a change in state and dude, my trading view is so bugged. Change in state and delivery. Stops were right here. My stops got edged. Take profit was here. Yes, it was a negative risk reward. Once price started pushing lower in this trade, like here, I did add another mini to my position on my evals, right? Meaning my max stop, which by the way, when I'm on eval, I'm risking the whole account every trade. I thought I made that clear right now, right? When we push lower here, I realized I don't have enough size in this trade to pass it here, right? So I enter a third mini, and at this point in time, price, like I said, my stop's here. My new stop loss with max loss limit is 25 points. Right, so price comes up, wicks my stop. If I had held my original size, I honestly would have passed it. I was an idiot. Should not have sized in. Sized in on my eval, trying to get a little. I got a little greedy. I'm not gonna lie. And you can see price wicks me out, pushes lower, and takes out this low. Now on my Top Step, obviously I didn't size in, so I passed. Well, I have my account. I made $900 on this trade with Top Step. First trade with Top Step was this one. Very avoidable loss, right? And then I took this short right here. I loved this short. I thought it was clean and simple. I think this chop was very unnecessary, really unnecessary. We should have just straight up delivered. Other trades that I liked, honestly, the entry that manipulated me was a great entry. This is a nice entry, right? You manipulate the high and then you close lower. Great open, high, low close. You can target this low if you wanted to. You could have held it all the way to data lows. I personally don't trade this way where it's like I hold for 130 points, but this was a good trade. You could have held to these internal lows as well. I liked this swing low and this swing low. This is a manipulation leg before we swept. Is that previous day high? Before we swept previous day high, right? And we have the manipulation leg before the move to the downside, right? So two good take profits. You could have mentioned short here or here. Same price point, essentially. Same draws on liquidity. Another trade that I liked, like I said, I did like this long. It wasn't the best risk management. Terrible risk management. Should have been a break even, not a loss. But besides that, those are the only entries that I really like for the day because there was internal draws to target, right? With that being said, quick trade recap. Not much to the day today. I'm sorry the first video had no audio. If this one doesn't work, you're going to have to watch this shit with no audio because I'm not recording a third trade recap, right? I hope you guys have a blessed day. Free Discord link is in bio. With that being said, have a nice day. Trade safe, and I'll see you boys tomorrow.